That's what the Foxes were after.
Bottom, another one. It's going across, trying to tonk it away.
Working out, baby, it's the chemistry, it's time to break up, so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's
Harvey's bowl, loses his leg peg with a slower nut from Sam.
this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel find almost anything.
And he's got
all it takes
a huge heave.
Find your identity, it's mind over everything.
Score ball and gets another wicket.
I'm so gone, no, I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong.
Oh, it didn't bounce. He's a little unlucky here, Mark Wasim. He looks back down the pitch in disgust.
Got him. Really well disguised as well. Threw the shot way too early, James Faulkner. Fair enough.
Now this has got to be close. That's gone. It's the inbound, the big one. Pakistan on fire.
A slow one. And that was right on spot. Well, he didn't have a clue what to do with that. That was hitting middle stump. Missed the bat. And have a look at this. The play.
And he's knocked over Jordan Clark. Stumps cartwheeling. And celebrations all round for Kent.